Who's been winning?
Me.
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 You got one game, I got one game. So
No, I just won the last game. That was my
We've
second
only
game.
played two.
We only played three. Three.
Two. We played 2 games, and we each won one.
Okay.
I feel like cheating.
The one that's cheating is the one that's cheating and saying that the other one is cheating.
I know you're cheating.
When this card enters your stable, you may search through the deck for a magic card. Add it to your hand to shuffle the deck.
Yep.
Search for your magic card. Ooh, let me see. What'd you pick?
Mine. That's because my hands are getting tired.
Oh!
And it's your turn.
Oh! I'm gonna steal a card.
I was going to steal this dragon.
As long as this card is in your stable, your unicorns cannot be destroyed or affected by any card with the word dragon on it.
Yeah, if I was going to steal this card,
Why?
then I could use, the next round I could have used Dragon's Breath on you.
Which one's that?
Destroy a unicorn.
But if you destroy a unicorn, you still don't have summon.
It destroys it on yours.
Yeah, but you would still be missing a unicorn.
Doesn't matter if I'd win, I'd still destroy. I couldn't use this card until I get this dragon.
What's that dragon again?
Dragon Slayer Unicorn. It cannot have any effect of anything with dragon in its name, and this is Dragon's Breath.
Right.
So until I moved him out of your stable.
But you know, it doesn't matter because I won anyway.
Yes. So it's 2 to 1. 2 to
2
1.
to 1.
2 to 1.
2 1 1.
But I keep getting her with this seductive unicorn.
Seductive unicorn.
It basically steals your unicorn, leaves it in my stable permanently until you destroy this. You get rid of this unicorn.
Whatever.
Loading kitties.
Kitties.
Yeah, it's your turn.
It's my turn.
Yep.
I'll share my cards without Carrie looking. Some of these are a little bit crazy.
You might want to read that one out loud. That is funny.
A butt tuba? Spelling backwards is a butt tuba.
It's still a butt tuba.
A butt tuba. What? Butt tuba.
But you still need to draw a card or something else.
I know, I need to end my turn. Exploding kitty. I lost. Oh! Damn!
I was moving my cards around so you couldn't pull my DPS.
Oh.
I knew that card was there.
So if you get this card, the exploding kitty, but you don't have a diffuse card, you explode. Did I explode? And she's laughing.
Yes.
Well, because I won on the other ones.
You won on the other ones, but you know.
Some of these are just so crazy.
This one here. That's what it's
Oh
called.
my god, gross.
But it's a player must give a card of their, you ask somebody and they give them a card of their choice. And that's a favor. And this one here, the butt tuba, that's the same thing.
Or this one with the diffuse. Look at that kitty. Poor kitty.
Oh yeah, look at this one, the one I was holding. Spay or neuter.
Oh my god. These are so crazy. Well, I had this one. End your turn with this card. Sail away with your penis balloon. Be free, little buddy.
The shy bladder cat.
Oh.